Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode of Mind the Gap. So, not really on Gap here anymore, but we're still traveling. We are still in the Turks and Caicos. I know, right? Miracle. But, yeah, today we're going jet skiing, man. And I am excited. I love jet skiing. And it's supposed to be kind of choppy, which for some people is a bad thing. For me, that means jumps, flips, all the fun stuff. So I don't know how much of that they're going to let me do. We'll find out. You'll see in the camera in the rest of this vlog. You'll see in the footage. But I think it should be mad fun. But for now, we're just going to go down. My mom's already down. I think she's going to go snorkel a little reef. That's right near the hotel. And him and I are going to go down, grab some lunch. You know, get some food in us, sit on the beach for a little bit, and then it'll be time to jet ski. Now, before we get into this video, as always, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And, you know, if you don't like the video, that's okay. You don't have to like it. But we would really appreciate it if you do hit that like button. You know, it really helps us out, and it really makes me feel good inside. You know, when I see those like numbers go up, I'm like, yeah. People care about us. That's great, you know? It's a wonderful feeling. So just smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into the video. Oh no. Haha! Touch the water. Let's see if we can do that again. Ah! Alright guys, you can't see me, but you can see my jet ski. So there's my dad over there. He about to go launch in the water. That's our guy launching them, and we're gonna go send it on the jet skis. Go see, I think we're going to see a shipwreck first. Should be pretty tight. Don't hit the boat.
Go ahead, straight out. Just hover around until I get out.
Yep.
Give you some time to feel it out, and then we're going to start our tour, okay? Start the bike. Get your gears on there, okay?
Yeah. Is this reverse?
That's reverse, that's forward, okay?
Oh wow. All right.
Feel it out, back and forth.
All right. Yeah! Huh?
About 5 minutes right here. Get over there now, and then we'll start the tour, okay?
Okay. That's crazy. These things are fun, man.
I'm gonna pick my man up and then we'll start the tour, right?
All right. Yeah.
Huh? Stand up. When you're zooming, stand up. Ah. And when you turn, lean over to the side you're turning. That's true. Alright, I'm gonna be after you or after him? Alright.
I'll create the wake, you ride in my wake so you can get a smoother ride. You keep it about 25 to 50 feet, then you do the same away from him.
25 to 50 feet.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay?
Yep.
Good.
Gotta wait for Mr. Oscar. I said, gotta wait for Mr. Oscar. These things are fun, man. It's been a while since I've been on a jet ski.
Good time, huh?
Yeah.
Pretty much bundle until we get to the shipwreck.
Oh, really? So where's the shipwreck? Out over there?
Let's go. Careful, all right?
I will be. Alright guys, so here we are at the La Famille Express Shipwreck. I guess this is a freighter that came in a little bit farther than it should have. What's up? You can jump?
You're gonna jump from the ship?
From the ship? I don't know about all that.
They just did it. You gotta go with your camera. I thought that's why you brought the GoPro. You're gonna go up and
And jump from the ship?
yeah, I'll come with you.
Alright, sure, let's do it.
Emerson is going to go up and jump from the ship. So he's going to climb the ladder. We'll see.
Yeah, what do you want me to do with the jet ski? Oh, you want me to go closer to the ladder? All right.
You doing it?
Yeah,
All right.
just like that, and back yourself too, so I can grab the back of you.
All right.
Yeah, shoot it all the way.
Good job, bud. The whole world is waiting for you. Hell no. Hell no. No. There's no way. Okay.
Work our way around. We're gonna go across mangrove creek. Then we're gonna go across Half Moon Bay. Shoot around to the Sandbar. Hopefully we get to the Sandbar or to the side.
Okay.
Make a few beats.
Okay.
Go into town for one of these lessons. Alright?
Okay. Outside.
They eat sand and shit.
You gonna give me some more food? You got the food. Where it at? How old do you think they are?
About 3 or 4 years now.
Huh?
About 3 or 4 years.
Okay.
You gonna pick him up?
Try.
This man is gonna try to catch the shark. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, me too. The shark says, "I soon reach."
Hey man, good try.
That was funny. You look like you tripped. Which one?
Wait, how bad does it hurt when they stick?
Not too bad.
Yeah, no. Nothing old one? Hell no.
Look, here's a baby one.
It's just a small electric sting, like a car battery.
A little Duracell. You know when you tip the battery on your tongue?
It's crazy that like living things can create electricity enough to like shock you. Like enough voltage to shock you. Water snakes like.
There's no predators out here like alligators, crocodiles, or
None of that.
snakes.
We have chicken snakes.
What are chicken snakes?
They mostly feed on like barn animals, like rats and stuff like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is a seed. This is a mangrove seed, also known as a monkey tag.
Monkey tag?
Monkey tag, yes. This can float for about 2 years before it reaches a beach and then creates roots.
Okay.
Once it just about started too. So the
Yeah, I
roots
see
coming
that.
out right here.
Yeah.
And it was about to get rooted. Once they get started, they start like this right here. And they grow into that. You see that tree is loaded
Oh,
with
wow.
seeds right now.
Yeah.
So they just keep dropping, keep populating. Soon enough, all of this is going to be
Is this brackish water or is that just sea salt?
sea salt.
Yeah, I thought it might be brackish, and then I realized like where the fuck would the fresh water come from? Like rain, maybe. They ain't got ice up in this place. It's too hot.
You gonna help it out?
Yes, sir.
is that? S&J.
Love you.
2021, like it's not gonna wash away.
Oh my god, shorty, she said, oh my god, yeah.
Suicide. You gotta dive off, man. Huh? Dive off. Right there, drop. Deep right there, you know.
It's deep?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see that, yeah. That was not graceful at all. That was as graceful as a flamingo.
That's a strong pivot. Well, now we're trying to fight curve. Top of the water.
Pretty deep down there. If you're gonna jump in, you better know what you're doing.
Let me see it. You gotta flip them up? You do a flip.
What's the name of it?
Pine Key.
Oh. Where are the pines?
Right up here where we have the boats parked up. That's Fort George Key. That's where King George, the first king, came
okay.
down. Fort the Turks and Caicos. That's how we became British territory.
King George came all the way down here, huh?
So it says. I don't know.
Now it will sink and settle on the sand. It's got to keep moving. There's a little boat right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Eyes all on you, man. Eyes all on you.
What's up, guys? We're in the middle of a sandbar. It's like an island thingy. Pretty sure I own it now. This is mine. I'm gonna build a hut here and just live forever. You know? No, I'm playing. But we pulled up on the jet skis. We got these dudes over here doing flips. Oh man, we having a good time.
Yep.
We having a good time. Yes, sir. We got the gymnast over here. Yeah, man, we got the Olympic gymnast over here.
What's that, the wine and champagne tour?
Yeah. Came off the big yacht.
Oh, the one over there?
Yeah. Big yacht came.
Ah.
In there, bro.
Do you have a lighter?
A lighter, I do not, sorry.
No one has a lighter? You have a lighter? Where are you from? Oh, you got the offer here, right? Okay. Oh, you found one? Thank you, just kidding.
They got one. She said, just kidding. No, you weren't kidding. You were looking for a lighter, but somebody found one, so.
Alright guys, just ran back, stopped on that little sandbar, had a good time. Now we're gonna do some donuts. Which one? That one? That one? Oh, you'll get it? Good? Yeah, let me get my shit. Actually, you can dock it, then I'll get my shit out. Turn it off. front of that one. There you go. Is there? No, everything else is right here.
You found your shades?
Huh? I didn't lose my shades. I lost a glass of my shades.
Oh. Go ahead and pimp them out now. Put a different lens inside that one.
Yeah, I'm probably just gonna buy new shades. These were like the world's cheapest shades. I'm not pressed about them. Shit, thanks guys. That was fun.